Let me show you something cool with this furniture touch-up method. I just applied 2 coats of lacquer right in this area, and now I've mixed sea-wax shellac with a couple different colors I wanted to test out for you. So I'm gonna zoom in here and paint this area with a little bit of sea-wax shellac combined with the pigments I use. What's really cool about this is all I have to do, say I mess up or I just didn't like how it looked visually, I can just take some denatured alcohol, dip it on a little rag, and then just wipe that area right off. It's gonna clean the shellac off the surface without damaging the lacquer underneath. So it's really forgiving and a great method when you're doing touch-up work. Comment down below if this was helpful for you, and check out my private restoration community if you need help on your furniture restoration journey.